Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites and signing in. Install the official VPN Unlimited app on your device, then log in with your account email and password. You do this to establish credentials and permit the app to create a secure VPN profile for your system. Once signed in, make sure the app requests network and background permissions. Those allow persistent connections and automatic reconnection. This initial step sets up authentication and system access, which prevents connection failures later when you try to select servers and secure traffic. Once authenticated, you pick a server and configure protocols to balance speed versus privacy. Start by selecting a server by country or specialty. Use P2P for torrents, streaming for services, or a static IP when needed. Then choose WireGuard for fastest performance or IKEv2/Open VPN for broader compatibility. This choice affects latency and encryption. Make sure to enable kill switch and DNS leak protection so your traffic never exposes your real IP. Finally, set auto-connect rules to secure public Wi-Fi automatically, reducing manual steps. You now connect and verify protection. Tap Connect and confirm the VPN icon or status shows active, then run a quick IP check to see a new location. Test streaming or site access to confirm the server meets your needs. If speeds lag, switch servers or try a different protocol. If problems persist, restart the app, clear your DNS cache, toggle protocols, or disable conflicting security apps. If nothing works, gather diagnostics and contact VPN Unlimited support. This helps them resolve logs and configuration issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.